Stop whatever you are doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover a never-seen-before premium business suite that's loaded with 8 hottest-selling products for less than the price of one only during this launch period. Yes, what you're going to get in this offer today is something that we've not given before and is available only for a very limited period of time. So if you too are willing to have an unforgettable Christmas and use these 8 sizzling apps to make real commissions and make 2026 one of the most profitable years in your life, without creating a single funnel or website yourself, without trying multiple AI design tools, without learning complex coding and designing skills, without paying huge every month for third-party platforms, and without chasing freelancers who don't give results even after full settlement, and finally, say goodbye to monthly charging third-party platforms like Canva, VO3, HubSpot, ClickFunnels, Opt-in Monster, Lead Pages, etc. You're in for a great surprise today. Presenting 2025 Christmas Suite, never before offered suite of 8 premium business-boosting apps for less than the price of one, and say final goodbye to paying monthly for expensive third-party platforms. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, create. Number 3, publish and profit. Here are the 8 stunning apps that you get inside this suite today. Premium App 1, Hybrid AI. World's first and only AI tech that creates scroll-stopping viral human plus animal hybrid videos clients can't stop watching in 3 clicks. Premium App 2, Azon Auto Sites. World's first app powered by Amazon's latest AI tech. Rufus transforms your single keyword into stunning DFY Amazon sites loaded with 350 million ready-to-sell, highly profitable products in any language and niche. Premium App 3, Imagio AI, combines 15 premium AI design tools into one powerhouse suite in minutes. No more subscriptions, no more patchwork tools, just lightning-fast image generation, background removal, enhancement, and pro-level visuals in one click. Premium App 4, AI Funnels, brand new 2025 AI app, transforms your ideas, keywords, and voice command prompts into stunning websites, funnels, blogs, in any niche and language in less than 60 seconds. Premium App 5, Deal Sites. World's first secret click and publish system automatically creates 100% DFY, self-updating Amazon and eBay affiliate deal sites that instantly rank on Google in just 3 steps at an unbeatable low one-time price. Premium App 6, WP AI Engine. Breakthrough, the all-in-one WordPress AI app lets you send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers, create 100,000 SEO-optimized done-for-you blogs, build 50,000-plus ultra-fast, profitable funnels, sales pages, checkout pages at an unbeatable low one-time price. Premium App 7, Easy Ebook Creator. World's first AI app, auto creates up to 50,000 amazing, fully functional ebooks for any offer in any niche with 0 writing skills at an unbeatable low one-time price. Premium App 8, WP AI Hub. World's first AI app transforms your boring WordPress into amazing AI WordPress powered with must-have 200-plus AI apps from a single dashboard at an unbeatable low one-time price. And to sweeten the deal, we're also offering tons of premium bonuses that are available only during the special launch deal. We are confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution, but make it fast as this is a limited-time offer. Once you close this page, and this special deal will be a goner. To remove all risks, your purchase is fully covered by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee, but you need to hurry. Once this special launch is over, 2025 Christmas Suite will only be available for a premium monthly fee only, so you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get 2025 Christmas Suite for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.